Larry Richard Williams is an American figure known for his diverse roles. Born on October 6, 1942, he has made significant contributions as an author, stock and commodity trader, and even delved into politics in the 1970s and 1980s in Montana. Interestingly, he's also recognized as the father of actress Michelle Williams, adding another dimension to his personal life. During his academic years, Larry Williams was already intrigued by the financial markets. In 1966, after 4 years of observing the markets, he ventured into trading, initially focusing on stocks. Initially, he heavily relied on technical indicators displayed in charts, but soon realized that this approach was causing losses. Larry Richard Williams was born on October 6, 1942, in Miles City, Montana, to Sylva Berthia and Richard Sigwart Williams. His ancestry includes Welsh, Norwegian, and German roots, reflecting a diverse heritage. After completing his high school education at Billings High School in Montana in 1960, Williams pursued higher studies at the University of Oregon in Eugene. In 1964, he graduated from the School of Journalism, where he was actively involved in Alpha Delta Sigma, an honorary professional fraternity, and even served as its national president. Beyond his academic pursuits, Williams was involved in philanthropic endeavors. He played a significant role as one of the founders of the Rock and Roll Marathons, which have raised over $320 million for various charities worldwide. This reflects his commitment to giving back to society and making a positive impact on a global scale. Larry Williams has written 11 books, mostly focusing on trading stocks and commodities. One of his books, The Mount Sinai Myth, is about searching for Mount Sinai in Egypt. It gained attention when it was rewritten by Howard Bloom and featured in Vanity Fair. Larry Williams wrote about his legal dispute with the Internal Revenue Service in his book, Confessions of a Radical Tax Protester. He faced trial for 3 counts of tax evasion, but those charges were eventually dropped. Instead, he pleaded guilty to misdemeanor charges of failing to file income tax returns on time for 3 tax years. Recognizing the importance of historical data, Williams began meticulously recording and analyzing market information by hand, despite the lack of sophisticated tools available at the time. Surprisingly, this manual process turned out to be advantageous, giving him a deep understanding of price movements and chart patterns. This effort led to the development of several indicators, including the renowned Williams Percenter Oscillator. After approximately 7 years of refining his methods, Williams's more flexible approach started yielding profits, providing him with a sustainable income from trading. His success stemmed from blending fundamental market analysis with technically significant trading signals, a strategy that proved effective. Williams is known for creating various market indicators, such as Williams Percent R, Ultimate Oscillator, and cut indices. He also developed methods for analyzing market sentiment and commodity prices. In 1987, he won the World Cup Championship of Futures Trading by turning $10,000 into over $1.1 million in just 1 year. Interestingly, both his daughter, actress Michelle Williams, and his son, psychiatrist Jason Williams, have followed in his footsteps in their own ways. Williams describes himself as a conditional trader, emphasizing the importance of evaluating the overall market conditions alongside specific trading setups. He prioritizes understanding the actions of significant market players, focusing on the broader market trends to inform his trading decisions. At events like the Traders Expo in Las Vegas, Larry Williams has shared his trading insights through videos, offering lessons from his 50-plus years of experience. He has also appeared as a guest on platforms like the NPR economics podcast, Planet Money, where he discussed his tax protest story, extradition, and trial. In 1987, Williams showcased his trading approach in the World Championships in Futures Trading, WCFT. Utilizing data from the COT report and his custom indicators, he embarked on a 12-month journey that would redefine trading history. This championship proved to be the turning point for Williams. During the championship, Williams achieved an extraordinary return of approximately 11,300%. Starting with a modest $10,000 in his trading account, he astoundingly grew it to a staggering $1,137,600 within a year. While the exact figures were not independently verified by bank statements, this remarkable feat remains unmatched in the championship's history. Larry Williams bases his trading decisions on fundamental market data, particularly emphasizing the commitments of traders, COAT report. He closely tracks the positioning of commercial traders, who hedge their business risks in the futures market. Williams recognizes the expertise of commercial traders, viewing them as the market's superpowers. Their reliance on commodities for business operations provides them with unparalleled market insight, giving Williams an advantageous perspective. While fundamental data guides his positioning, Williams employs technical chart analysis to identify optimal entry and exit points. He selectively trades commodities with favorable risk-to-reward ratios, ensuring clear rules and risk management. Williams employs strict risk management protocols, limiting losses and allowing profits to run with trailing stops. This disciplined approach minimizes downside risk while maximizing profit potential. Williams's methodology, honed over years of experience, has yielded consistent success for traders. His strategy, emphasizing cut data and strategic exits, has been adopted by numerous successful traders, including champions of the World Championships in futures trading. By adhering to clear rules and sound risk management, traders can achieve sustained success in commodity trading. Larry R. Williams is a notable American investor, author, and former politician hailing from Montana. With over 53 years of experience, he has actively participated in trading various financial markets, including commodities, futures, and stocks. Williams holds the distinction of being the only futures trader to risk $1 million of his own funds in live trading events worldwide. Throughout his career, he has developed numerous trading indicators that have gained widespread adoption and recognition in the financial industry. In 1982, Williams authored the best-selling book, How to Prosper on the Coming Good Years, which garnered significant attention for its accurate prediction of an impending surge in economic growth. The book foresaw what would become the most extensive bullish market in American history, showcasing Williams's foresight and analytical acumen. Williams's contributions to the field of trading and investing extend beyond his personal successes. His insights, strategies, and indicators have influenced countless traders and investors worldwide, shaping their approaches and methodologies in navigating the dynamic financial markets. Williams is dedicated to supporting education, particularly at his alma mater, the University of Oregon. He funds a substantial scholarship in honor of his college professor, Max Wales, specifically for journalism and communication students who show creative talent, regardless of their grade point average. Larry Williams ventured into politics as a Republican nominee for the United States Senate in Montana on 2 occasions. In 1978, he won the Republican primary against Bill Osborne and Clancy Rich. However, he was ultimately defeated in the general election by Democratic U.S. Representative Max Baucus. Similarly, in 1982, Williams secured the Republican primary victory against attorney Willie D. Morris, but lost to incumbent Democratic U.S. Senator John Melcher in the general election. Despite his primary victories, Williams faced defeats in both general elections. In 1978, he lost to Max Baucus, and in 1982, he was defeated by John Melcher. These losses marked the end of his attempts to secure a seat in the United States Senate. Williams sponsored Initiative 86, a significant move that made Montana the first state to index tax brackets for inflation. This initiative demonstrated his involvement in shaping tax policies and his commitment to addressing economic issues through legislative means. Larry R. Williams leaves behind a significant legacy in the world of trading and finance. His innovative approaches to technical analysis, particularly the development of the Williams Percenter Indicator, have had a lasting impact on traders and investors worldwide. Williams was renowned for his ability to identify market trends and predict price movements, earning him widespread recognition and respect in the financial community. His contributions to the field of trading education through books, seminars, and software continue to empower traders to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Larry R. Williams' legacy lives on as traders around the globe continue to utilize his methods and insights to achieve success in their trading endeavors.